Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare fermented porridge. This is already fermented. I got it from my mom and I want to show you how I cook it. I grew up taking this porridge and I love it. What you want to do is make sure that you mix it with water and just stir it to just make sure it dissolves and it really smooth before you can pour it into a warm water. Make sure that the consistency is smooth, then pour it into your warm water and continue stirring as much as possible so that it doesn't form any lumps. This is a famous Kenyan porridge. Fermented porridge is a very famous Kenyan porridge. So the more you stir it, the more it cooks and turns brown, a beautiful brown. But you can add water if it's too thick for you. You can add some water to just balance it off. I like mine not too thick but also not too light, so I just have a good balance. It looks like it's ready. I just let it boil a bit, not too much, but once I love the consistency, then it's ready to be served. So this is ready for me and I will just serve it the way it is. There we go. I love the aroma. I add some sugar because I want it to be a bit sweet and sour, but also because I love serving mine differently. Instead of just having it like that, I love to add some bananas. I have this already overripe banana in the house, so I'm just going to cut them into small pieces and then I will add them into my porridge. I mean, you don't have to have it with bananas, but this is how I like to have mine. You can have it like that or with whatever you love. My sister thinks that this is too much, but I find it really filling when I have it with some bananas. And so there you have it. Very simple, quick and easy way to prepare your fermented porridge if it's already fermented like mine. But if it's not fermented, then I could make a detailed video about it. Do you love fermented porridge? Is this something you can try out? Let me know in the comment. Give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.